Hi Aquarius, I'm Anisha. I'm recording today at the Pengongso Lake in the Ladakh region in the far north of India. This is a 130-kilometer long saltwater lake at a 14,500 foot altitude. This beautiful land of mountains and lakes is the home to numerous ancient Buddhist monasteries. And what a beautiful and an apt time to be recording this, as we've recently had the annual Jupiter transit move from Virgo to Libra on the 10th of September, which is all about love, it's about peace, it's about cooperation, and it's all about justice. We're beginning the month Aquarians with quite a potent conjunction of Mars and Pluto that is happening in your house of research. It's a house of spirituality, it's a house of karma. This is a house where we go and transform ourselves, and it's also the house where we think about others. It's a house of giving, Aquarians, not a time to be either learning or evolving, but it's just a time of service for you. And during this entire phase for you, you're going to be driven to retreat, to reflect. It's a time where you're not going to be too enthused about being among a large group of people, or even wanting to be sharing your ideas, thoughts, plans, your desires, your life goals. What is it that you really want to do? It's a time where you're just going to be feeling quite drained being amongst people. It's a time where you're just going to be sort of be going inward, and you're just going to be resting. It's a place also where we go and recharge our emotional batteries. On the 8th, we have Mercury that is joining Jupiter and Sun, that is there in your house of long distance travel. It's a house of exploration. It's about dealing with people who are from different cultures, ethnicities, and also from different walks of life. During this phase, because Mercury is there, I think that you can expect a lot of conversations that you're going to be either dealing with people from different countries, or you could be traveling, and how it is that they work. The business gets done, how it is that they live their lives. There's just going to be a lot of not just curiosity, but I think a lot of you are going to be applying that at your work as well. And because Mercury is there, your storytelling skills are going to be through the roof, and you may want to start a writing project. It's a brilliant time to be going back to school, college, to be picking something new, especially a new language, or maybe something which is related to different cultures. And travel is fantastic for those of you who have been seeking, wanting to know more, or even generally, I think if it's there for therapy, it's a great time to be doing that. On the 16th, we have a full moon that is there in your house of communication, siblings, and short distance travel, and it's shining a light for you with Uranus being over there. And Uranus has been there for a long time, and he's the poster boy, wild boy of astrology, causing chaos, unpredictability. And Uranus over there could be causing some trouble as far as a sibling is concerned. It seems that there could be either some upheaval happening in a sibling's life, or there's a constant intervention that is required from your side. And with a full moon being over there, it can be that it's really a time to be ending a spat. For those of you who've had a tough time with a sibling, just put it to rest and move on. And for some of you, could be dealing with a community, whether it is you're finishing a community project during this time, or whether you're making a change to improve your close environment as to where it is that you live. And people could be coming at you left, right, and center and trying to get you to understand something, Aquarians, but you could just be feeling quite overwhelmed. I think this is also a time where there's just too much on your plate. So try and have a plan B or a plan C as well, because there can be a lot of unexpected appointments, or it can just be too much of, you could feel quite overworked and exhausted. So try and stay flexible and have a plan B over here. On the 19th, we have Venus that is moving into your house of groups of people, and especially your friends. And it's a brilliant time because you can expect a lot of support from a friend. It can be someone who's either in the similar industry, community, or even thinks alike, has a similar goal, or need not be working on the same project as you, or could be. And this friend could just set you up, or could help you network. It could just literally come across as a wonderful mediator who can help you negotiate a much more a better project during this time. And you could be feeling quite I think for those of you who are looking for not just looking for love, but who are looking at companionship. It's a time you could have a friend set you up with someone quite interesting, and you're going to be feeling quite unconventional, wanting to try the unexplored during this time. On the 23rd, we have Sun that is there in your house of career reputation, and it's joined by Mercury on the 25th, and finally a spectacular new moon that is there on the 30th. And your focus is going to be on the direction that your life is taking you on, Aquarians, and your goals as well. And you may want to take a look at how your life is unfolding and where you're going in life, and determine whether or not you're going in the direction that you want to be in. So, while there could be a sense of that there's a lot of self-sacrifice that you've put in, and whether it is or not that you want, I think it's just a time where you just need to put your nose on the grinding stone, Aquarians. As much as horrible it may sound, it isn't actually really in the real life. It's something that you're passionate about. It's something that you want to do for the longest of time, and there just seems to be some amount of a lot of red tape around you. Maybe permissions are getting to be a pain. Maybe generally people or processes are taking more longer time to develop than they normally should. So just sort of stick to it for a bit more, and it'll come through. It's not really a time to be just giving it up in half and saying, oh, I don't think so, this is worth all the trouble that it is. And it's really I think with Mercury over there and with the new moon, you can expect some form of a recognition. There can be if not an accolade, absolutely a recognition of whether it's a path-breaking work that you're doing or the project that you're working on. You can be sure to expect some support, recognition come your way this month. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Aquarians, and absolute gratitude to be able to share this fantastic place in Ladakh with you. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.